Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a light bulb on this Qashqai, and the light bulb we are changing is the reverse light bulb. Okay, to get to it we need to open the tailgate, and then we need to take this tailgate trim out, the whole trim, and so what we're going to do is you can do it by hand, so just like that. Okay, there we go friends. Now that I've taken the trim out, so the reverse light bulb is situated here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it anti-clockwise, just like that, and twist it anti-clockwise to take it out. You can see that the condition of the bulb is really bad, so we're going to replace it with another bulb. So we've got a collection of bulbs here, so we're just going to replace it with a new bulb. There we go friends. So what we're going to do is push the bulb in and turn it clockwise, and the same again, the same rule applies. So you're just going to push it in, line up the grooves, and then twist it clockwise. So there we go, that the light bulb is the reverse light bulb is changed in no time. Right friends, now that we have fitted the new bulb, so I'm just going to put the trim back in. So just going to line up the clips. There we go. There we go friends. That's all the clips lined up nicely. Okay, so now we're gonna check whether the bulb is working. There we go friends. As you can see that the bulb is working, so please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much for watching the video.